discovered a secret, a 100% working, completely free, and honestly mind-blowing trick to download Meta AI generated videos without a single watermark. If you are a content creator, a video editor, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI tools, you already know the massive frustration I am talking about. You spend hours perfectly crafting your prompts. You finally get that cinematic flawless AI generation. It looks incredible on the screen, but the second you hit that standard download button, Meta AI slaps a massive, distracting, moving watermark right across your masterpiece. And look, if you have been relying on those sketchy third-party websites or mobile apps that claim to remove watermarks, you need to stop right now. Think about what those tools are actually doing. They don't remove the watermark, they just apply a localized blur or a heavy crop over the area. They smudge the pixels, ruin your framing, and completely destroy your video's overall resolution. When you are trying to build a professional channel, whether it's an anime explanation channel, an investing mindset channel, or a deep dive documentary series, you cannot have blurry, pixelated smudges ruining your viewer retention. Today, I am going to show you how to extract the original, clean, perfectly rendered video directly from the source. It works flawlessly on laptops, desktops, and mobile devices. Let's get into the execution. To get started, you need to head over to the official Meta AI website. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the main dashboard, look for the Create Video option. Now you have two distinct paths here, and I want to cover both because they serve different content strategies. You can either type your text prompt directly into the box, or you can click the plus icon to use the image to video feature. Let me give you a pro tip right here. Image to video is almost always the superior choice if you want strict control over your visual branding. If you want a specific cinematic look, maybe you've already generated an incredible thumbnail image and you want to bring it to life, or maybe you have a specific character design you use for your channel, upload that image first. Once your text prompt or image is in the system, hit enter. Meta AI doesn't just give you one option. It acts as a creative partner. It will generate a grid of 4 distinct images for you to choose from. This is your curation phase. Analyze these 4 options closely. Look at the lighting. Look at the framing. Is it a medium shot, a cinematic close-up? Once you find the one that perfectly matches your vision, look right below that specific image. You will see a small animate icon. Click that icon. This triggers the backend servers to start interpolating the frames and generating the motion. Now, a quick heads up on troubleshooting. Sometimes the servers are under heavy load. If you click animate and the video doesn't appear right away in your feed, do not panic. Simply refresh your browser page. Your video is safely generating in the cloud and will populate in your chat history. Here is where 99% of people mess up. Your video is now ready. You click play right there on the Meta AI website, and it looks beautiful. It is crisp, the motion is smooth, and notice this very carefully. There is no watermark while it is playing in the web preview. Your instinct is going to be to look for the download button. You will see it, you will click it, and the file will save to your computer or your phone. But the moment you open that downloaded MP4 file, you will be met with a massive disappointment. Meta AI's system is designed to inject the watermark at the exact moment of direct download. It adds a dynamically moving logo that bounces from corner to corner. They make it move specifically so you cannot easily crop it out in a video editor like Premiere Pro or CapCut without ruining the entire aspect ratio of your shot. If you try to scale the video up to push the watermark out of the frame, you stretch the pixels, ruin the resolution, and destroy the visual fidelity of the AI generation. So here is the golden rule, the absolute most important step of this entire tutorial. Do not hit the direct download button. Ignore it completely. Instead, look right next to it. You will see a send or share icon. Click that icon. A menu will pop up giving you a specific URL for your generation. Click copy link. You now have the direct backend address to your pristine, unwatermarked video sitting safely on your clipboard. Now we transition to the secret weapon. We need a bridge. We need a way to reach into Meta servers and pull that video file out before the download trigger injects the watermark. To do this, we are going to use an entirely different platform. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Manus AI. Before we execute the final step, let me explain why we are using Manus AI, because understanding this will make you a much better AI content creator. Manus AI isn't just another simple chatbot. It is a highly advanced, official agentic AI tool. What does agentic mean? While standard generative AI simply spits out text or images based on what it learned in the past, agentic AI has the ability to take action. It can browse the web, interact with backend APIs, structure data, and execute multi-step workflows autonomously. It is designed to be an automated assistant. Because Manus AI is officially tied to the Meta ecosystem, it has special access protocols. It doesn't look at the public-facing website, it looks at the raw data. It is the perfect extraction tool. You are now on the Manus AI homepage. It's clean, it's simple, and it is totally free. You will see a main prompt box right in the center of the screen. Click into that box. The first thing you do is hit paste. Drop in that Meta AI video link that we we copied just a minute ago. But you cannot just send the link by itself. You need to give the agent a specific directive. After the link, hit the spacebar and type this exact command, word for word. Download this video without watermark. I want to be very clear here. You do not need to write a complex paragraph. You do not need to learn coding. You just give the agentic AI a direct plain English command. Now you wait. What is happening in the background right now is incredible. Manus AI is taking your link, traveling to the Meta AI servers, locating the exact raw video file in the cloud storage cache, and copying it. Because it is doing this through backend API calls rather than triggering the front-end user interface download button, the watermark script is completely bypassed. It never gets applied. Depending on your internet speed and the current server load, this might take 10 seconds, or it might take a minute. Be patient. Let the agent do its job. Once the processing is complete, Manus AI will present you with a new, standalone video file right there in the chat interface. It will look like a standard media attachment. Look at the top or the bottom of that specific attachment, and you will see a new, standard download option. Click it. Now let's look at the results, because seeing is believing. Let's do a quick before and after comparison. On the left side of your screen is the video we downloaded directly from the Meta AI site. As you can see, that watermark is incredibly distracting. It immediately screams AI generated in the cheapest way possible. If you use this in a professional YouTube documentary, a web design client presentation, or a high-quality anime edit, it instantly lowers the perceived value of your work. It breaks the immersion. Now look at the right side of the screen. This is the exact same video, the exact same rendering, pulled through the Manus AI bridge. Look at the difference. It is perfectly smooth. The visual fidelity is 100% intact. There are no blurred corners, no awkward cropping, and absolutely no moving text. You have a massive clean canvas to work with. You can now take this MP4 file, drop it into your editing timeline, apply your own color grading, add your sound effects, overlay your custom graphics, and build a truly premium piece of content. This is how you leverage AI to actually compete on platforms like YouTube. It's not just about using the tools. It's about knowing the workflows that unlock their full potential. The implications of this are massive. Once you master this workflow, you can scale your content creation at an unprecedented rate. Let's say you are building an educational channel. You can script out an entire series on the theoretical future of AI or the intelligence explosion. You can generate 50 different B-roll clips in Meta AI, batch process the links through Manus AI, and have a folder full of pristine, watermark-free cinematic clips ready for editing in under an hour. You can use these clean clips for pattern interrupt hooks in your short. You can use them as dynamic backgrounds for your text. Because they are clean, you can even take screenshots of the most striking frames and use them to design high CTR thumbnails. But I want to remind you that video generation is just one small piece of the puzzle. The AI tool landscape is vast. I mentioned earlier that Manus AI is a seriously underrated tool, and this video extraction trick is barely scratching the surface of what it is capable of. Because it is an agentic AI, it can automate a ton of different tasks that normally take hours of manual labor. Imagine having an AI that doesn't just write a script but actually formats it, creates the slide, finds the reference link, and builds a complete presentation for you. Imagine an AI that can help you troubleshoot website code, manage local business research, or streamline your client outreach. That is the power of true automation. It moves you from being just a creator to being a director. You stop doing the manual labor and start managing the systems. I want to dive much deeper into these advanced workflows. If you want a full detailed masterclass tutorial on exactly what else Manus AI can do, how to set up these agentic workflows, how to automate your research, and how to drastically speed up your content pipeline, I need you to do one thing. Go down to the comments right now and type the word Manus, M-A-N-U-S. If I see enough interest, if I see that you guys really want to learn the deep technical side of this, I will dedicate an entire video to breaking down its most advanced features step by step. The AI landscape is moving incredibly fast. The tools we used 3 months ago are already outdated, and the tools we will use next year haven't even been announced yet. The only way to stay ahead of the curve, the only way to build a sustainable channel and a real audience is to constantly learn, adapt, and refine your workflows. If you found value in this trick today, if this saved you from the headache of blurry watermark removers, hit that like button so this video can reach more creators. Finally, if you love discovering new, hidden AI tools, if you want to learn the real strategies behind content growth, SEO optimization, and leveraging automation to build your digital presence, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I am constantly testing, breaking, and reverse engineering these platforms to bring you the best, most practical advice possible. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, keep experimenting,